this video, I'll explain how you can create a simple explainer video from a series of static images using one of my favourite tools, Snagit from TechSmith. You can include live video from your webcam if you have one, and add narration by including audio from your microphone. You can also add shapes and other annotations from your favourites tool while recording to add emphasis. These will be animated in the final video. First, close all of your captures from the Recent Captures tray. You don't have to do this, but it makes it easier when you're recording. Next, open all the image files that you want to use. Arrange them in the correct order in the Recent Captures tray by dragging them into position. And make sure you have the first image selected. Click the Create button at the top left of the screen and select Video from Images. You'll see the recording toolbar appear on the screen. So let's look at some of the recording options. Moving from left to right, the red button will start the recording. You can set a background colour for your video. Click the background button and select a colour. If you want to include live video from your webcam while recording, click the Switch to Webcam button. It will turn green when it's active. When you've finished, click the button again to switch back to image recording. To include the mouse cursor in the recording, click the Capture Cursor button. It'll turn green if it's on. Now, I don't usually use this option when recording from static images, so I'll leave it turned off. Similarly, to include audio, click the microphone button. Again, it'll turn green if it's turned on. For decent quality sound, I'd recommend using a headset mic, or better still, a separate USB mic rather than the built-in one. Once you've plugged it in, use the arrow to the right of the microphone button to select it. You can see the current video size. The buttons with the direction arrows will show you the next or previous image when recording. If you prefer, you can use the left and right arrow keys on the keyboard to do this. The last button will cancel the recording without saving anything. At the right of the screen, you'll see the sidebar, which includes a few quick styles you can use to annotate your video. If you need any others, you'll need to add them to your custom quick styles before recording. Click the Record button on the toolbar. The video will count down, and when it finishes, the recording will begin. In my video here, I'm going to record the steps to insert an image into Microsoft Word. So first, let's select an arrow from the Quick Styles area and point to the Insert menu. Then I'll use the right arrow to move on to the next image. Next, I'll draw a box around the Picture button. So I'll change the Quick Style to a box and click and drag around the Picture button. And again, I'll move on to the next image. Continue navigating through the images, annotating as you go until you've reached the final image. And then stop recording. It just takes a couple of seconds to create the video, and when it's finished, you'll see it appear in the editor window. So we'll save it first. Just click File and Save. Navigate to where you want to save the file and type your file name. Your video will be saved in MP4 format, which is one of the most common formats for audio and video. So let's just play through the video and see what the finished result looks like. So that's our completed video. In our next video, we'll be looking at how to record a live video. If you found this video useful, why not give it a like? And if you'd like to be notified when new videos become available, why not hit the subscribe button? Thanks for watching.